Dr. Lalini Priya. I'm a general practitioner. So I just want to tell about cough. Cough is a reflex produced by the airways. Usually it is produced when exposed to any dust particles, allergens, then other conditions like asthma, COPD, TB. So if you're experiencing cough for more than a week, if there is persistent cough, so it is better to consult a doctor, or regardless of the duration of the time, if it is concerning you, it is better to show a doctor. And as you all know, this is the season of flu, so it's important to take care of ourselves. Wear mask when you're going out, and take plenty of fluids, stay hydrated, and drink warm water, and eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Thank you.